It bounces about the 15. It's taken by Sims. He's up to the 20. Got a little room. He's at the 30. He's got a seam. He's at the 40-yard line and goes down at the Homewood 44-yard line. What a great start to this game by Hoover.
Carter faked it to Modricus Humphrey on the speed sweep. That took all the momentum of the defense the other way. Cochran slid through the line uncovered.
Porter, Larson Reel tees it up. He's going to kick it to Jamel Cook and Aaron Ernst for Homewood. Nice high kick. It's going to be taken about the 10-yard line by Ernst. It's on the ground, and he is thrown down inside the 10-yard line.
Outside of Josh McGee, he splits the defenders and shows a great burst of speed to get down inside the 20 to about the 17-yard line.
Carter looking to pass, going to throw the slant. What a great catch by Gerald Bryant. The ball was behind him. He bobbled it, caught it, put it in the end zone.
Three-man front, they tried a little option look there, and just great pursuit by the Buccaneer defense.
Cochran at the fullback position. There's the give to MacArthur. He fights forward, continues to push. It's going to be close. And they say he's into the end zone. As the clock continues to run, they're going to pass right here. Gilligan. He's going to throw a quick slant to the outside. That's Evan Pierce with a very nice catch.